E. Principles of a sound tax system. Question. What are the principles of a sound tax system? Answer. The principles of a sound tax system are: 1. Fiscal adequacy. 2. Theoretical justice. 3. Administrative feasibility. These are also known as canons of taxation. The canons are mere guidelines, the violation of which would not lead to the unconstitutionality of the law.
Fiscal adequacy. Question. What is fiscal adequacy? Answer. Fiscal adequacy means that the sources of revenue should be sufficient to meet the requirements of government expenditures and other public needs. This is in consonance with the doctrine that taxes are the lifeblood of the government. Theoretical justice.
Question. What is theoretical justice? Answer. Theoretical justice means that the taxes levied should be based upon the ability of the citizens to pay. The rule on taxation must be uniform and equitable, and that the state must evolve a progressive system of taxation. Progressive system does not mean you cannot use a regressive or a flat system of taxation. Progressive means that it would be fit for its purpose and not literally progressive in rate.
Administrative feasibility. Question. What is administrative feasibility? Answer. A tax system is administratively feasible if it is capable of being effectively administered and enforced with the least inconvenience to the taxpayer.